roll today. Slime.
Welcome to Holly Dolly World. Today we're playing with Nickelodeon Purple Slime. Holly, do you like the color of slime you're playing with today?
Purple.
Purple. Did you pick that out?
Yeah.
Do you like the color purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I like purple.
Oh, I think Nana likes purple. I think a lot of people like purple. It's so pretty. Like grapes. Okay, can you get the plastic off? Perfect. Okay. It's hard to get in. Let's just see. Might have to have sister help. There we go. Let's see your slime, Holly. Do you want to get your hands in there? Hold on, we'll pull your sleeves up. Let's pull your sleeves up. Let's
look it.
Oh. Okay, Holly, let's see. Do you want to feel it?
Fuzzy and sticky.
It's fuzzy and sticky? Whoa. Whoa. Is it ooey gooey fun? Yeah, let's get more out. Whoa. Fun.
Do you want to dump it on the table?
Slimy.
Yeah.
Can I just don't get my face in it? Don't get my
Whoa, that's a lot of slime for a little girl. What do you think of that?
You poke it? Do this.
No.
Want to make a bubble?
Yeah.
Okay, look, can I show you? Do something like this. You pull it up. Look at, see it's clear.
Oh, I can see it through there, Holly. Woo! Whoa, did it make a bubble? Whoa, snapping, snapping.
Or you can do it like this.
That's fun.
No.
Whoa, Holly!
Look at this.
Whoa, that's fun.
Crunch it. Do this.
Whoa, crunching.
No.
Put it on the placemat.
Oh, are you rolling it? Looks like a big worm. It looks like a big gummy worm. It looks like a big gummy worm. Whoa. That's super fun. That was a good choice. Oh, you're silly.
Want some help putting the slime back in the bucket?
No.
It's clear slime.
Can you make your handprint in there, Holly?
No.
Whoa! Oh, it's stuck to your arm.
Want some help? Ready? Take some slime. Maybe this.
Whoa, thank goodness. Whoa, thank goodness. It was all sticking all over you.
Here, you hold. That's how we make a big bubble together.
Together is fun. Look at the bubble.
Watch
Look at
out.
the bubble.
Big bubble.
Whoa, look at the bubble. Whoa.
See your hand?
Look at your hand. Whoa, it's ooey gooey. Whoa.
Gotta get that hand over there. Want to make a bubble again together? Poke it. Poke with one finger.
Oh, look at that's good poking, Holly. Let's see you poke it again.
No.
Whoa, that's good poking. Wow.
Want to make a swirl? Can I show you how you make a swirl?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So, you like lift it up. And you kind of groove it. You like hang. Groove it. Ready? Ah! You could do this. Wait, look.
Whoa! It's a big pie.
Poke it.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Uh-huh.
Slimy